Alright, new update. So, we ran the lines. It's ascending. Then it's pushing. This is pushing. This is from the tank all the way up. Well, the tank, the pump. Then it's coming in. Then it's coming back down. Then to the new heat exchanger. Yeah. And got the 3/8 going back over. Sorry for the rough camera. Going back down, and let me get down here. So we ran that. Had to put zip tie towards this frame, keep the wheels from touching. Then we sit there and ran the lines all the way. Jeez. Where's the lines? All right, there you go. Ran the lines all the way back.
Someone must have told the producer that this was a panel of Kenny Rogers roasters.
That way.
Because you guys are a bunch of chickens.
My boy Big B, he's back there.
It's a chicken-based restaurant.
Probably tighten down some stuff with
I hate to break it to you, Sarah, but
zip ties.
And you know who
But yeah,
my mom. I'm sure she's gonna die soon. What's that gonna be like?
we're making pretty good progress. We're making it about almost done with the heat exchanger, ice box, 1-inch hose, 3/4, 5/8. We're about almost done with that whole stuff. And see what I'm talking about is, let's see. Alright, what I'm talking about is about the wheel not touching. It's like this. See what I mean? So I had to zip tie that stuff to the frame. See, like right here. It was touching it first, and I was like, man, wait a minute. So that's solved, and it's all good in the neighborhood. To be continued. See the other stuff to do. Peace.